Here's my recipe for quick, easy chicken pot pie pasta. Here's what you'll need: a large bowl with a spoon, a large strainer, a large pot, some pre-roasted chicken all chopped up, about 3 to 4 cups, 3 to 4 cups of frozen mixed vegetables, 16 ounces of your favorite pasta, doesn't matter what kind, large cream of chicken soup can, garlic powder, onion powder, thyme, and rosemary. Fill your pot about halfway through with water, throw in your frozen mixed vegetables, and put on the stove with the setting on high. You want to make the water boil as fast as possible. Take your cream of chicken soup and dump it into your large mixing bowl. To that, you'll add 2 tablespoons of onion powder, garlic powder, thyme, and rosemary. Stir that well and add in your cooked chopped chicken. When your water comes to a boil with the vegetables already in there, add in your 16 ounces of any of your favorite pasta. After 8 minutes, strain everything in the sink. Add your cooked pasta and vegetables to your soup and chicken mixture and stir that very well. In under 30 minutes, your meal is ready to enjoy. This should feed between 8 to 10 adults. This is a family favorite that tastes even better heated the next day.